Okay, Unit 6 Test Study Guide, question number 22. After losing 8% in the stock market, Mr. Adams has $1,150. How much did he have before he lost money? Okay, interesting problem. Again, percent change. This is our percent change. It's 8 out of 100, setting up our percent proportion, but that is the change over the original amount. That is our percent change. And we've got an issue here. We're looking for how much he had before he lost money, so that would be the original amount that we're looking for. We're looking for this. We've got a problem here. This is not how much it changed. It doesn't say that he lost $1,150. This is his new amount after losing the 8%. So we cannot do it this way. We need to do this one as new over original. Okay, the new amount over the original amount. And what we do know already is his new amount is $1,150. And it's going to be our percent over 100. We're looking for the original amount. I can put that X in already. But we need the new percent. We need to refigure. We need to change that percent. It was an 8% loss. And again, what would that mean? That would mean back here, if he had $100 in, he would lose $8. So the new amount would be 8 less than the 100. That's what you do to find your new percent. You do 100 minus 8, and you come up with 92% is my new percent. So I can put that in here, and now it matches up. This is the new percent over the original. This is the new amount, and we're looking for the original amount. So cross multiply, you get 92x equals 115. 2 zeros here, 1 here, 3 zeros. Divide by 92 in order to get our x by itself. Divide this side by 92. You come up with x equals, calculator time, you come up with 115, 3 zeros, divided by 92, and you get 1,250. 1,250. That is the amount that he had. He lost money and now has $1,150. Yeah, that is the original amount. He had 1,000, yes, you could even say it. He had $1,250 before he lost 8%. Okay, that is our answer.